Mae'r Flint wedi ennill I 4 gêm gartra ddiwetha. Ond mae tîm Colin Kit yn y bala wedi ennill I 3 gêm ddiwetha yn erbyn y Flint. Kenny. Hyfryd iawn gan y Flint ar bêl. Edrych am Mike Wilde. Wilde! Oh, Mike Wilde! O, dyna chi gol campus, gol tîm yn cael ei chreu lawr yr ystlys chwith. Y croesiad gan Sam Hart, o mi neidiodd Mike Wilde fel eog.
Mike Wilde I reid yr ediad i'r Cwrt Cosby, neb ar ei gyfel, dim gobaith I Harry Lloyd yn y gol.
Callum Woods, o, pas lac. Y bêl yn cael ei dwyn gan Mike Wilde. Wan, mae'r ben ei hun braidd. Wilde. Rhedeg pen fel Mike Wilde yn dal I fynd. Wilde, o, terror posten! O, mi nath o'r gwaith I gyd I hun. A mi oedd o'n heiddi gol ar ddiwedd hwnna.
Oce, falla dylai di mynd efo'i droed chwith yn trech na I droed e.
Wan ta, Rutherford. Poor Rutherford. Drysid rywfodd Ben Mardd yna, mae'r bêl yn rhydd yn y cwrt. A Venables I fynd amdani, fymryn heibio'r postyn. Mi oedd angen yr arbediad gan John Rushton.
Dave Edwards gafodd y cynnig, oedd o'n ymestyn. Efallai so wedi well gadael I redag sy'n gad Venables.
O, hyfryd gan Jack Kenny! O, fi o'na gol ar blat yn y fan yna I Jack Kenny, mae o'n gwybod hynny.
Ond dylia Jack Kenny di penio honna nôl o'r cyfeiriad y doth I.
Mendes. O, Mendes yn ei chwipio I fewn yr ochr bella o hyfryd Venables. Dyna'r gol gynta'r tymor hwn i'r capten, Chris Venables. Mi oedd y croesiad yn felys gan Mendes.
Ddringodd Venables ar y postyn pella. Nath o'n dda, mi oedd o'n gryfach na Sam Hart y trona.
Ie, mae gen y Flint gyma anodd o ddig. O, mae'na gyfle fan hyn I Phillips! Jake Phillips, wel di o rioed wedi sgorio yn uwch gyngrau'r Cymru. A mi o'na gyfle yn y fan yna.
Mae'n gofyn yn gicos motyn, dwi'n meddwl. Dos am VAR a fama, ond Phillips mewn i'r Cwrt Cosby, mi neidiodd PT mewn, dwi'n meddwl. Arno fo, tu allan i'r Cwrt Cosby, sydd wedi bod.
Mae yna 4 munud yn cael ei ychwanegu.
Dor Calonis a Henry Diwm yn sgorio gol fuddigol rwan fysa.
O, hyfryd. Och, y cliriad o'r bel yng nghefn y rwyd a Dave Edwards sydd wedi dwyn y pwyntiau i'r bala. O, mi oedd hi'n groesiad campus. A greddf y chwaraewr rhyngwladol I Giro Rushton.
Ie, mae'r gol ma I gyd yn dod o waith Chris Sang. Y groesiad yn un wych ar y postyn pella. Dwi'n meddwl Dan Roberts ar ei sodla, Dave Edwards ar flaenau draed.
In the right place at the right time yet again.
Luckily, yeah, didn't have my best game today, but nice to still be on the pitch and it was good crossing. And so I came off the back of the defender and he didn't quite see me coming, managed to get across, and then it's just hoping that you get a good contact, which I did. And yeah, it's more for the team, just 3 points keeps the run going. We feel we've got something special here this year and we can go far in the league, go far in the cups, and there's a real good feeling about the place.
Yeah, I was proud of the lads again tonight. I thought we played well in the first half. I thought it was a bit harsh to go in 1-0 down. I thought we dominated the game in the first half, but the quality into the box wasn't the best. They should have been better. And then, you know, Mike Wilde's peeled off with a free header and punished us. But in terms of the performance first half, I was really happy.
Any complaints about the throw-in leading up to the goal?
You know what? We had a decision that went for us the other week against Aberystwyth. You know, 94th minute, and Aberystwyth would have felt probably a bit harsh. You know, watching it back. Officials have got a tough job to do at the end of the day. You know, I'm disappointed. You know, I've asked the referee, I've asked the linesman. They felt it was their throw-in. I think everyone in the ground felt it was our throw-in. You know, obviously we've still got to defend it. You know, it's come from probably 10 yards in our own half. It's still travelled a long way. You know, we've got disappointment, but we can't even think about that.
You know, we've got 5 players missing from tonight, so but we just get on with it. And lads have played out of position. We had one fit centre half coming in. Callum's gone in there and done really well. And Anthony Kay's missing, Johnny Spittle's missing, Anthony Stevens is missing. So we've got quite a few. So if we can get them back, then we can be a real force, hopefully.
And the unbeaten run continues.
It does, yeah, and it builds confidence every time you go another game. The confidence gets more and more. We're a very good football team. We've got some really good players in our squad. Ball players like Stephen Leslie, Brad Barres. We can control games. We've also got the other side, that fight, that hunger, the desire. Kieran Smith, magnificent again. The centre halves. We've got loads of injuries, but just real character from absolutely everyone. So it was a real good performance.
People look tonight and say you've been beaten 2-1. Bala are a good team. They're a strong team. They're effective at what they do. And they've come away with the 3 points, and the way they're celebrating in there, you'd think that they've just won the league. That's how far we've come. In terms of last April, we went to Bala. We got battered 5-0. Could have been 10. And I think they probably will have a more difficult game this season. So it's testament to where we've come as a club and as a team, and obviously the gaffer's brought in some good lads in the summer, and then we feel we can build on. Even though we're disappointed we got beat today, we can build on it.